Are you tired of receiving unwanted friend requests from server members on Discord? With the latest update, it's easier than ever to manage who can send you friend requests. Here's how to prevent server members from bothering you with friend requests step by step. First, open Discord on your PC. You can do this by double-clicking the Discord icon from your desktop or finding it in your Applications menu. Once you're logged in, you're ready to proceed. Next, look for the gear icon located at the bottom left corner of your screen, right next to your username. This icon represents your user settings. Click on it to open the Settings menu. Now that you're in your user settings, scroll down to find the Friends section. Under this section, you'll see an option that says Friend Requests. Click on it to access your friend request settings. Finally, here comes the crucial part. You'll see an option labeled Server Members. This setting controls whether members from the servers you're in can send you friend requests. Simply toggle this option off to disable server members from being able to send you friend requests. And that's it. You've successfully restricted server members from sending you friend requests on Discord. Now you can enjoy your Discord experience without the hassle of unwanted friend requests. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks about Discord and other apps. Happy Discording!